Hey guys, Rob from ClicksGeek. I just wanted to run through a quick case study for a family law lawyer. I believe this guy was out in Tennessee, and I want to show you some results we got here. So he had a really decent budget. He was spending about $312 a day, and he was still limited because that means he could have spent more. He got, over the course of 30 days, he got 237 clicks, 4.6% click-through rate. Average cost per click was about 23 bucks. The total campaign for 30 days he spent 5,500 bucks, which is a solid amount of money. But look what he got in return for it. He got 68 inbound phone calls for people looking for a family lawyer, and it cost him 80 bucks to acquire each lead, converting at about 28%, which is on the higher end of where we like to be, which is great. All right, so let's go right to the conversion rate. Now, 28% is right on par. It's exactly where we want to be in the family law space. Usually people are around 15 to 20% in this space. So we had to make a few adjustments to bump him up on the landing page tweaks and stuff like that until we got it dialed in and it was pulling 28%, which is nice. I mean, some days it was even higher. It was like 35. So this is what you're looking at is a blended average over the course of 30 days. All right, 68 leads. Most of those were inbound phone calls because we try to push mostly mobile traffic because it just converts much higher into actual clients for our family law clients. And that's what needs to happen. Now, the ad groups and keywords is where it gets really interesting. So unlike a lot of other of our competition, we're only going after high intent keywords of people actually searching for a lawyer. Not about family law questions, not about generic family law stuff. We're only going after people who are typing into Google that they need a lawyer for help pretty much immediately. We try to get right on top of that urgency and connect them with a family lawyer. So that's why you can see our conversion rate so high. We're just taking someone's problem and offering them a solution. That's all we're doing, and we're doing it locally, which is even better. Now the landing page is very simple. It's just a little bit of content about the lawyer. It's a contact form. And the fields in the form are, let me say, I think it's name, email, phone, tell us about your situation, something like that. So these are solid contact forms too. And again, keep in mind, like I said, though, we're trying to drive mostly phone calls, which is what we're going after. So a lot of the 68 leads you see here is inbound phone calls. And a lot of those booked full consultations with our client and have done really well for them. So next, let's talk about the budget. Obviously, you're probably looking at this and you're like, "What the hell? I can't. I'm not going to spend $300 a day. That's insane." And that's okay. You don't have to spend $300 a day. Family law can work on as low as $50 a day budget. So there's no need to go ahead and spend $300. You're not going to have to do that. And this guy he wanted to get going. He had 30 days that he was trying to launch this thing, so he wanted to really get after it, and that's why he spent so much money. And it worked out for him. I mean, he got a lot of cases out of this, so it worked out. Now, if you guys have any questions about the family law space or anything like that with Google Ads and family law, drop them in the comments below this video. And if you're interested in us running this type of family law campaign for you or for your client, reach out to us today below. I'll drop a link to our website in the description, along with a few other links to things I think you'll find interesting.